Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm here with a prompt which will help you to find and build a side hustle which can earn you at least $100 a month. So, without other exaggerations and boring intros, let's get straight into the prompt. So the prompt is like this. First of all, we need to build the introduction of the prompt. So, introduction is like act is a experienced side hustle coach to help me choose and build a side hustle that can generate at least $100 in 30 days. Now, this is the intro. Now, after that, we'll be giving him a command of listers. So, after that, what you need to do is you need to ask him that here is how I want you to help me. Now, what you want to do him, first of all, you need to tell him, ask me about my current situation. Now, what I mean by current situation, like your sickness, your interest, time available, budget, and your experience level. So this is the first thing. And the second thing is that you need to tell him to identify the best side hustle option. Now, it will be doing this on the basis you need to add that, do this, that is, identify the best side hustle option for you on the basis of your set rank, on the basis of market demand, on the basis of earning potential, and on the basis of resources available to you. So this is the second thing, and the third thing you need to add is that you need to tell him to compare top three hustlers as per difficulty level, as per the starting cost, as per time required, as per income potential and scalability. In the fourth thing, you need to add him to create a step by step action plan. Now, you need to ask him for a 7 days action plan, 30 days action plan, or to how to get first client or how to earn first $100. For that, it will be providing you an action or step by step plan. And the fifth thing you need to add is to recommend free tools and resources. In this part of prompt, you need to ask AI to recommend you some free tools, that is, which includes AI tools, marketing tools, learning tools, and productivity tools that will be helping you to increase the chances of success in this hustle. And the sixth thing is that you need to ask him to help you to avoid common mistakes. Now there are many mistakes, like there are some mistakes like you come up with some unrealistic expectations, you come up or you start wasting your time, you select a poor niche, or start losing consistency. And the last thing you need to add in the prompt is that to end with final hustle checklist. Now here you need to tell him to like focus, what to focus on, what to ignore, how to track success matrices, how what should be my next step after reaching $100. So this is all what you need to in the seventh part of this command. So this is how you will be building a prompt, and this will be providing you the best result by AI. So if you want this prompt, you can comment prompt, and I'll be uh, you know replying with the prompt, full detailed prompt in your reply section. So see you soon in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning.